Question number 3. When a horizontal spring is stretched, the force exerted by the spring is directly proportional to its extension. Okay, F is equal to K minus Kx. Okay. The energy is transferred to the spring is when it extended by a distance x is E. What is the work done by the spring when the extension is reduced by x by 3? Okay. So, how is the energy given by extension? It is given by half Kx square. Okay. Now, what is the work done by the spring when the extension is reduced by x by 3? Okay, so, this is my spring initially. Now, this has been extended by a distance x from here. So, which means this is my extension x. And now, what did you do? You relaxed it by a distance x by 3, which means it has been until here. Okay. So, it has been distance relaxed by x by 3, which means the actual extension is 2x by 3. Now, when it was expanded by a distance of x over here, this is the energy stored in the spring. Okay. Now, when let me minimize. Yeah. Okay. When it was expanded, now when you relaxed it, the extension is 2x by 3. Thus, the new energy here is seen to be half k into 4x square divided by 9, which would be 4 by 9 times half kx square. Half kx square, and half kx square is E. So, I'll just put it as E here, multiplied by 4 by 9, 4e by 9. So, therefore, what work is done by the spring when the extension is reduced by x by 3? Okay, how much? If this was the extension, this is what it is. Now, what is the work done in reducing this extension? You compress it. So, therefore, that will be equal to the difference in energies, which will be E minus 4e by 9, which will be equal to 5e divided by 9. Thus, the answer is D over here.